Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we're going to be looking at a lady's 31mm, 18 karat yellow gold Rolex Datejust 31 on a President bracelet. The model reference number for this watch is 278278, and we're looking at a dark MOP or Tahitian dial with diamond hour markers today. Current retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $31,650 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch, the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The Rolex Datejust 31 is a lady's mid-size 31mm case. It measures from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's been the most popular size for most ladies, and it's noticeably larger than the 28mm counterpart. This case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance. It's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. You're going to notice the side of the watch, the side of the case, and also the lugs are also high polished to a mirror finish, and they match that bracelet very well. Going on to the fluted bezel here, we have a fluted bezel that's surrounding the dial. It's crafted in 18 karat yellow gold. It gives this watch that Rolex look. You can get this watch with a diamond bezel. It adds another $10,000 for the cost. So the yellow gold fluted bezel is probably your best bang for the buck. The watch is also easier to identify as a Rolex. Going on in the dial, we're looking at this beautiful dark MOP or Tahitian diamond dial. Mother of pearl dials have always been popular. This one is in dark mother pearl or black mother of pearl. Mother pearl also comes in white, pink, black, or yellow, so this one's black or dark. It's a pretty dial. Has sword-shaped hour and minute hands. They're easy to see in the light, but you're going to have a hard time reading this watch in low light conditions. There's no luminescence in this dial. Just pretty diamonds and a dark MOP dial. Now you can see the date here at the 3 o'clock position, right under the Cyclops. This Cyclops magnification window actually magnifies the window about 2.5 times the original size for easy viewing. Onto the crown here at the 3 o'clock position, can be wound in its first position, so let's go ahead and try that. To 15 times should do the trick. Now the second position out, it's going to be able to adjust the date. See that date cycling through the date window. And then the third position out is going to be able to adjust the hour and minute hands, like so. Once you have your hour and minute hands set, you can just pop down the crown, screw it down, and your watch is set. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 2236. Has the hour, minute, date, and center seconds functions. Power reserve is about 55 hours, so you can set this watch down on a Friday night and pick it back up on a Monday morning. Should still be keeping time. The movement of your wrist is actually winding the watch as well while you're wearing this watch. Going on to the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at an 18 karat yellow gold President bracelet with a half polish. See, it's a mirror finish in the center links with a satin finish on the outer links. Seamless all the way through except for the crown clasp here that opens up the bracelet. Just pop this on your wrist. Close it like so. And that's how you wear your bracelet. It's a very comfortable bracelet. Now for my thoughts on this watch, this black MOP diamond dial is one of the best dials you can actually get for these watches. Normally watches are offered in either index dials, Roman dials, or diamond dials. But this one has really a lot of different shades of coloring on it. Depending on how you turn it, it has different shades. Really pretty. This watch does work well as an everyday wear watch. It's an automatic, has a second hand, and has a date function. These are things I'd find in an everyday wear watch. You could purchase a stainless steel watch or a two-tone model. This full yellow gold model is at the top of the bunch in comparison to them though. You can match this watch with dress clothes, but you can also wear it as casual. It's easy to pair with most outfits. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at YellowGold.com. The model reference number again is 278278. This is the Rolex Datejust31 Ever Rose, or actually Yellow Gold, dark MOP diamond dial with President bracelet. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to YellowGold.com, and thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazzTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.